Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. In today's video, I'll explain why Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are valuable and where they derive their value from. Throughout human history, energy has been the lifeblood of human progress. It powered our muscles during the age of manual labor and fueled the machines that drove the Industrial Revolution over the past 2 centuries. As our understanding of energy evolved, so did our ability to harness it, shaping the world we live in today. In essence, value is intrinsically tied to the investment of human energy. Human labor has value because it requires energy. Any jobs we do, we need to put in our energy in order to complete them, just as the work of machines in the fields and factories. This fundamental principle has been at the core of our economic and technological advancements. In the digital age, the concept of value has taken on a new form in the form of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the pioneer of all the cryptocurrencies, obviously, and it is created through a process called mining. But unlike traditional mining, where physical resources are extracted from Earth, Bitcoin mining relies on immense computational power, which in turn demands an immense, staggering amount of energy. Bitcoin mining is highly energy intensive, and the reason for that is that it needs to maintain security and integrity of the entire Bitcoin network, which depends on miners solving complex mathematical problems, which is something that demands significant computational power. This process validates transactions and ensures that the decentralization and transparency of cryptocurrency remains intact. But why does this intense energy process matter, you might ask? It's all about scarcity and value. You see, next year, during the halving of Bitcoin, which will take place once again, it takes place every 4 years, and once again next year, Bitcoin will be halved. What that means is that the amount of Bitcoin being produced with all the computational power and all the energy consumed, the amount of Bitcoin produced will be cut in half, which means once again that the same amount of Bitcoin that we produce now will take twice as much energy to produce next year. Now you have to keep in mind that there is a massive industry behind the mining of Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrency. The biggest ASICs miner producer, Bitmain, spends millions creating these Bitcoin miners, and then people purchase these Bitcoin miners for millions of dollars, and they create massive farms which consume a lot of energy in order to process the transactions, solve the equations on the blockchain, which consumes a lot of power. As such, value is created for Bitcoin and any other mined coin through the use of energy and by the use of computer power. Imagine a scenario where the demand for Bitcoin continues to rise while the supply is limited due to the halving or for whatever other reason. The principles of economics tell us that when something becomes scarcer and demand for it continues to rise, its value tends to increase as well. The scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value. Each Bitcoin mined represents a substantial amount of energy consumed and computational power invested into the mining of that particular Bitcoin. This is what gives Bitcoin its worth, and this is what gives every other proof of work coin its worth. The energy expended in the process of mining translates directly into that particular coin's value. In the grand tapestry of human history, energy has always been the driving force behind progress and prosperity. From the sweat on our brows to the hum of machines, and now the powerful computations behind digital currencies, energy continues to shape our world. It always has. As we move forward into the future where technology and finance intertwine, understanding the importance of energy in the creation of digital assets like Bitcoin is not just a matter of curiosity. It's a fundamental insight into the nature of value itself. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the section below. If this was entertaining, if it was educational, I hope it was educational, then share it with everybody else who you think may need to hear it. And I hope to see you in the next video. In the meantime, thank you for your support, and see you next time. Crypto Father out.